Very good morning to one and all. Last time we had completed chapter number 4, that is heat, and from today we are going to start chapter number 2 online. But due to heavy rain, our network problem is there somewhere somehow, and that's why I am sending the video of chapter 2. That is nutrition in animals. First, what is nutrition? That already we learned in chapter 1. So here the word nutrition is a very most important for plant, for human beings as well as animals. So we learn the proper definition. Okay, here animal nutrition include nutrient requirement, a mode of intake. Same in the plant, mode of nutrition, a heterotropy mode of nutrition, saprophyte mode of nutrition, hydrotropy mode of nutrition, autotropy mode of nutrition, that we learn. But how animal can take the nutrient? That a mode of nutrient. So here you have to learn in chapter number 1 that plants can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, but animal cannot. Animal get their food from plants either directly by eating plants or indirectly by eating animals that eat plants. Animals are heterotrophic, depend on other. They cannot make their own food like plants because plant contain chlorophyll, and all green plant contain chlorophyll. They can autotrophy nutrients. Okay, but animals are directly or indirectly. Indirectly, like eat a product obtained from plant, and eat directly plant. So plant it's directly and plant product is indirectly. So indirectly or directly it can be eaten. Some animals eat both plants and animals. Some animals eat both plants and animals. Recall that the organism including humans require food for the growth, repair and functional. Okay? And functional. So they have to do all the functions. That is called functional. Okay? So digestion, excretion, blood circulation, this all the activities occur in the body of animals, human beings. Okay, so this depend, ये जो एक्टिविटी है किसके ऊपर डिपेंड है? फूड, और द एनिमल्स ऑब्टेन फूड फॉर द प्लांट. सो हियर द बेसिक इज द न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल. एनिमल न्यूट्रिशन include nutrient requirement. Animals nutrition or nutrient that carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, that are nutrient. And nutrition is a different, but the substance is taken from the different food source item for the growth and development. That is nutrition. Okay. तो उनको रिक्वायरमेंट किसकी है? न्यूट्रिएंट. और वो न्यूट्रिएंट किसके थ्रू लेते हैं? दैट इज मोड ऑफ इनटेक. इनटेक मीन्स टू टेक द फूड इन द बॉडी, दैट इज कॉल्ड इनटेक ऑफ फूड एंड इट्स यूटिलाइजेशन इन द बॉडी. ओके, सो हियर वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड डिटेल दिस चैप्टर. The component of food such as carbohydrate are complex substance. Pay your attention. The component of food such as carbohydrate are complex substance. Okay, carbohydrate is a nutrient, and when we eat the sources of carbohydrate क्या है? That you learn in class 6. Okay. क्या है? रोटी, चपाटी, ब्रेड, बिस्किट, सुगर केन, ऑल स्वीट आइटम कंटेन कार्बोहाइड्रेट. एंड व्हेन वी ईट इट इज इन अ कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म. विच फॉर्म? कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म. Complex substance. Okay, these complex substances cannot be utilized as such. So they are broken down into a simple substance. Okay? We eat roti, chapati, sugar cane, कर्ड, राइस, मिल्क, वाटरमेलन, ये सब हमने खाया, तो ये हमने मिक्स फॉर्म में खाया. ओके, बट अलग अलग न्यूट्रिएंट में से आज आपने बैलेंस डाइट बेस खाया, लाइक एक प्रोटीन वाली आइटम, ओके, विटामिन्स, मिनरल्स, मिल्क, कर्ड, फैट वाली आइटम आपने खाई, तो आपकी बैलेंस डाइट डिश में क्या है? ऑल 7 न्यूट्रिशंस है. उसमें से दिस 7 न्यूट्रिशंस आर इन अ कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म, and then when it get into the body, okay, it can be broken down due to chemical reaction is there in our body, and that is why this all the complex material are broken down. हमारी बॉडी में एसिड है, केमिकल रिएक्शन होता है फूड और एसिड के बीच में, और जो फूड है वो सिंपल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, दैट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ ग्लूकोज. ओके, हमारी बॉडी में ग्लूकोज बनता है, दैट वी कैन यूटिलाइजेशन फॉर एनर्जी. ओके, सो कन्वर्टेड इनटू द सिंपल सब्सटेंस, द ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ complex components of food into a simpler substance is called digestion. So here, what is the meaning of digestion? The complex food converted into the simple form. Complex food broke down and converted into the simple form. Okay, this food into a simple form is called digestion.